Okay, so now you're going to write your own poem based on the red wheelbarrow. And writing a poem based on the red wheelbarrow is going to help you understand it better. So before you do that, I'm going to show you an example, and I'm going to write a poem based on an object inspired by this red wheelbarrow poem. So first, let's look at this poem. Okay, it says, so much depends upon a red wheelbarrow glazed with rainwater beside the white chickens. Okay, so when I write my poem, I'm going to keep it very similar. So the first stanza, I'm actually just going to keep the same. So much depends upon. And I want you to go ahead and keep that stanza the same too. Then in the next stanza, I'm going to say what the object is. So notice I said a chewed yellow pencil, and I chose a pencil because they're always laying around the classroom after you guys leave for the day, and so I just kind of thought of a pencil as the object. So a chewed yellow pencil. See how I use two adjectives to describe pencils, just like there are two here on wheelbarrow. Okay, a red wheelbarrow, a chewed yellow pencil. The next stanza, just lying there waiting. Again, notice I used 4 words just like over here with glazed with rainwater. Okay, and my last one, for someone's good idea. Again, 4 words just like this one. So in a minute, you're going to do your own. So if you'll look at this next slide, okay, when you open your document, it's going to ask you to make a copy. Okay, so make your copy, and then what's the first thing you're going to do when you make your copy? You're going to take it and attach it back to your Google Classroom. Okay, that's what this purple box says right here. Attach it back to the lesson in your Google Classroom as soon as you open it. And you all know how to do that. Then what's the second thing you're going to do? Okay, you're going to change name here to your name. That way, if we want to print them later, we know whose are whose. Okay, let's read this. So this is our poem inspired by the red wheelbarrow. The directions are: write a poem structured like the red wheelbarrow about an object of your choosing. So here I have the red wheelbarrow poem written out so that you can use it to help you write yours. And you're going to pick your object. You can wait if you want to do your title until last. And you're going to go ahead and start typing your poem. Remember, the first stanza, you're going to want to keep it the same as this one. And then in the second stanza, you're going to want to list your object. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and head on over to this slide and get your poem written. Good luck.